Batisi TV. Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors. Halatko ni Shillong. Ringkat bakanet foodish. Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani. Hakirdob ying jongpi.
SVJ Foundation, in association with St. Joseph's Educational Services, are conducting career seminar cum educational fair on the 4th of June 2022. Register on 9436 119 or walk in directly to the venue for further information. President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hakasmi thoding jong kalai tarik ubana jelleu arajar arpuar ula ong bahakani ka kenti ula pen bena ba unmi madan ban aireng ha ka election sha ka yeng dorbar thawan kaban salong ha kani ka jella house nem arajar arpulai dangshen uba Pala ula pen bena ba unya khun ye kani ka election na sutnga constituency ha ka jingya kren mat kilat pathai khubor uba Pala ula ongru ba kum Nongïalam jong party uday ban Ïalam Nakhmat.
I'm preparing to fight election because I thought that, as a president I should lead from the front. So that who should be a chief minister, that normally a party we don't decide before the election. But I'm fighting election because I thought that I should lead from the front and I should set an example. Though I'm very happy to be an MP, but at the same time, we have to look also understand. So my decision to fight elections is not my decision alone. All my friends suggested to me that you should also fight an election.